Firstrade mobile app pricing explained what you get for your money. Firstrade is a US-based brokerage app offering commission-free trading for stocks, its options and mutual funds. Many investors assume trading apps charge fees per transaction, but Firstrade stands out for its zero-commission model. Users can trade US stocks and ETFs with no commission and no account minimums. Options trades are also commission-free, while mutual funds may have standard expense ratios. For example, buying 0 in Apple stock costs 0 in commission, making it ideal for frequent traders and beginners alike. The app provides research tools, real-time quotes, watch lists, and portfolio tracking. Users can also access educational resources and trading alerts. Firstrade supports fractional shares, allowing investors to invest small amounts in high-priced stocks. The surprising truth is that for no trading commissions, investors gain access to a full suite of trading tools that many paid platforms offer. Most people underestimate how much this can accelerate portfolio growth over time by minimizing costs. In conclusion, Firstrade mobile app pricing is simple, zero commission, and designed for cost-conscious investors. Understanding the features and benefits ensures you can trade efficiently and maximize returns.